Hello and welcome to our instructional video on solving the problem x squared minus 7x plus 12. In this video, we will walk you through step by step on how to solve this quadratic equation. So, grab your pen and paper and let's get started. To solve the quadratic equation x squared minus 7x plus 12, we start by factoring the quadratic expression. The goal is to rewrite the expression in a form that allows us to solve for x. We are looking for two numbers that multiply to 12, the constant term, and add up to minus 7, the coefficient of the linear term. By finding these two numbers, we can factorize the quadratic expression into two binomials. Next, we find the two numbers that multiply to 12 and add up to minus 7. These numbers are minus 3 and minus 4 because minus 3 times minus 4 equals 12 and minus 3 plus minus 4 equals minus 7. Now, we can rewrite the quadratic expression x squared minus 7x plus 12 as x minus 3 times x minus 4. In step 3, we take the factored form of the quadratic expression and set each binomial equal to 0. This allows us to find the values of x that satisfy the original equation. We start with the factored expression in the form x minus 3 times x minus 4. By setting each binomial equal to 0, we separate the equation into two simpler equations to solve for x. Specifically, x minus 3 equals 0, and x minus 4 equals 0. Solving the first equation, x minus 3 equals 0. We add 3 to both sides to get x equals 3. Solving the second equation, x minus 4 equals 0. We add 4 to both sides to get x equals 4. Therefore, the solutions to the equation x squared minus 7x plus 12 equals 0 or x equals 3 and x equals 4. This is the final step and provides the complete solution to the quadratic equation. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.